Welcome everyone. In order to turn on dark mode for the Twitter app, the first step is you're going to slide to the right hand side where you see your name and your username. You're going to scroll down and you'll see here settings and privacy. Tap into this one. You will then see accessibility, display and languages. Tap into this. You will then see display and sound. Tap into that one. Then you'll find dark mode. And you have the option to turn on dark mode, or if you tap on the toggle it will turn it off. You can also change the theme of dark mode, so you have dim, which is a blue dark mode, and then lights out is completely black. So if you have an OLED display, which is basically any iPhone without a home button, excluding the 10R and 11, then these pixels are actually off, okay, so that will actually save battery life while using the Twitter app. Use device settings. If this one is on, then it will use the device settings. So in order to access those, you're going to slide down from the top right hand side if your iPhone doesn't have a home button. If your iPhone has a home button, slide up from the bottom. Long press on this brightness toggle and you see the dark mode. You can tap on that to turn it on or off. When dark mode is on, the dark mode will also be on in Twitter, and when it's off, it will also be off. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.